Ano ka na?
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang ating pong ika-34 na regular na pagpupulong ay aking na pong formalin.
Umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang ating pong panimula ay simulan ng panalangin na ating kagalagan sa Biblia.
Dito, tayo po ay tumayo at panalangin. Panginoon Diyos, mga sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa panibagong araw na pinagkalog na po sa amin, kung saan ay bigyan po kami ng pagkakataon para matalakay po yung mga issues at concerns at mga agenda po para po sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Dalangin po namin, Lord, na hindi po sa sarili po namin kakayahan ay ang pagkilos niyo po sa bulwagan po na ito para matukoy po namin yung pinakamagandang paraan para mapaglingkuran at makagawa po ng mga batas po para sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa. At Lord, salamat din po kasi mamaya po ay pagbibili mo na rin po namin ang 31st Cityhood Anniversary. Thank you po Lord sa haba ng panahon na ginagawa niyo po sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa na umabot po kami sa ganitong taon. Dalangin namin Lord na kayo po yung patuloy na kumilos para po sa lungsod po ng Muntinlupa. Inataas po namin ang lahat ng ito sa pangalan po ng Jesus. Amen.
Ating pulo pangihira at ang marcha ng Muntinlupa.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
sagutin po natin. That's in Councilor's Creed.
The Councilor's Creed. I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that pertain to the general welfare of my constituents in their pursuit of happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts. And as I tread the pathways of local legislation, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituents and the Filipino people.
Para po sa ating attendance, kagalang-galang Atty. Alex Diaz. Kagalang-galang Atty. Raul Coro. Kagalang-galang Atty. Rachel Catherine Ana Arciana Molina.
Present po.
Kagalang-galang Jose Pati Cathy Bucayaw. Kagalang-galang Jedediah Presnelli. Kagalang-galang Walter Arcilia.
Present.
Kagalang-galang Ian Jeffes.
Present.
Kagalang-galang Amanda Jane Camilon. Kagalang-galang Reggie Andalito. Kagalang-galang Engineer Mabel Cosivilla Jr. Kagalang-galang kay Anno Mavilla.
Present ako, Sir Meto.
As well, thank you, sir. Kagalang-galang kay Anno Mavilla. Kagalang-galang Francis Edward Garcia.
Present po.
Kagalang-galang Engineer Arlene Lapo.
Present po.
Kagalang-galang Marisha Limar Vice Reyes.
Present po.
Kagalang-galang Rodolfo W. Montes Jr. Kagalang-galang Cornelio Martinez. Kagalang-galang Ami Nampaya. Kagalang-galang Engineer Jonas Amito Amanilla. Meron po sa Patabila.
Dahil tayo po ay may sapat na bilang kahit para sa tapat nila.
Inibayin ko natin ang katitikan ng nakaraang po.
Presiding Officer.
Majority Leader, Atty. Raul Coro, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Kung wala na akong pagbabago sa katitigan ng nakaraang pulo, nalihito po ang ito ay ating mga patibay.
There is a motion to approve the minutes of our previous 10 months, seconded by Councilor Lara Montes Jr. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Ako po sa ating palaan ng gawain, wala po nakatala sa ating mabasa, so dadako po tayo sa ating ulat ng komite. Ito po ay ang ulat ng komite ng Livelihood and Cooperatives, chaired by the Honorable Councilor Cornelio Martinez, who conducted this public hearing last February 26 for the accreditation of A. Bohol Leyte Multipurpose Cooperative at B. Corre del Gente Credit Cooperative.
Councilor Cornelio Martinez, you are recognized.
Hello, yes, magandang mga po.
Magandang umaga.
Normal scheduling details mo. Guys, setting my yung nag-work ko sa majority is setting officer. Respectfully, the meeting will be report from the beginning and that is my policy. And then so, public doing that on February 26 at isang union sa Luzon, sessional round for people settled in the regarding the application for the application board dating report was the office address at 2550 Marital Street, Gateway Home, Barangay Putapa, Manila. Or Stella Grande, send it to the middle address of 6th floor, Unit 65, St. Bed, Investment Drive, Barangay Alabang. Agenda. Hindi ito nagpapalitan po kaya
Any second to the motion, seconded by Atty. Reggie Andalito. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Submitted. Documents submitted. One. Application for application of this are not correct. Two. Board resolution the organization concerned, and number 3, cooperative development authority. May permit and legislation in municipal facility, right? Constitution of by law. See, proposed objection to the organization cooperative. Secretaries of represent and member in other computer address and contact number. Plus program 8, plus program and program 9, financial data of the organization of discussion. The city cooperative and the federal government laws the requirement of education under the ordinance number 05/040 to the application of government cooperative to bring about the government cooperative with all requirements under the said ordinance, including prior endorsement from the barangay council concerned to the currently criminal activity of the above mentioned property to enhance and improve security of the member and officer. About mentioned property have their own project and program for the benefit of other members and their communities and sector, then it's ready in one of the reason why they are